Number 14. 3 and 5 are the sides of this right triangle. There's a note, the triangle, the figure is not drawn to scale. The figure shows the lengths in inches of two sides of a right triangle. What is the area of the triangle in square inches? You may be tempted to try to figure out the length of our third side of the hypotenuse here. It is not necessary. It's just not. This is just an area of a triangle. Anytime we have an area of a triangle, our formula is area is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. This is one of the formulas that is provided for us by the SAT College Board. They're being nice, giving us a few little formulas. Not everything, but a few. They're being a little bit helpful. What is the base and what is the height? The base is always going to be the bottom. What it's sitting on, what it's resting on the bottom, that's the base. Oop, undid my height. What is the height though? The height can be a little tricky. The height always, no exceptions, will involve a right angle. So if I have a triangle that is like this, like that, my base is going to be here at the bottom, what it's sitting on, and then the height must be perpendicular to that base. And you have to see a right angle or have them tell you there's a right angle there. Have to. So if the triangle is like this, a right triangle, this would be my base and this would be my height. The side, the length that is perpendicular to that base. The one little oddball that they sometimes throw in is if you had a triangle like this, you'd have this coming down like that. That is going to be your height. Right there is your height. And this is your base. Don't include that part. Sometimes students want to do that. They want the base to go all the way out here. Nope, it is only this part, but that little line coming down, forming the right angle, perpendicular to that base, that is going to be your height. So in this particular case, they haven't really thrown any wrinkles at us. It is pretty straightforward. Our base is going to be down here, and this coming down perpendicular to it is my height. So it is 1/2 times my base times my height. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 1/2 is 15 halves or 7.5. Don't put it in as 7.5. No, it needs to go in as 15 halves or 7.5 for you to get the right points. Get the points for that, to get it marked right, to get the points for that. Yeah, this is a holdover when they would do like 7.5 like that. Like, wait, that looks like 71 halves. That can't be right. So always put it in as either like 15 halves or 7.5. As a little bonus thing, if you were to rotate this triangle, like if you were to rotate it this way so that it was sitting up like that, and this was 3 and this was 5, would the base then be 3? Yeah, same difference. I'd say, okay, 1/2, my base is 3 and now my height is 5. But as you can see, you're still going to get 7.5. It gets the same either way. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.